OctaFX calls itself a broker for fast, fair and low-cost trading. But is it actually a smart place to trade your capital, or is that just marketing hype? Today I'll break down the real numbers, run the one live test you must do before funding, and tell you which trader types should and shouldn't use OctaFX. Welcome to NextGen Traders community. Trade smart, leave bold. Your shortcut to mastering the markets starts now. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. Trading CFDs carries risk. You can lose money. OctaFX is a well-known broker in many emerging markets, offering tight spreads, micro-lot accounts, and strong mobile and web trading options. It supports MT4 and MT5 platforms, has low minimums for beginner traders, and positions itself as a global broker with strong educational outreach. In this review, I'll cover their products, platforms, account types, funding process, trust, and customer experience, and show how to test OctaFX yourself before scaling. OctaFX offers Forex majors and minors, several indices, popular commodities like gold and oil, and CFD access to some share and crypto markets, depending on the regulatory entity. This range makes it a good pick for both Forex-focused traders and those who want a few supplemental instruments. Important point: the exact instrument list can depend on which OctaFX legal entity you join, so always cross-check your demo with the live symbol list before depositing. OctaFX supports MT4 and MT5, giving traders access to advanced charting, EA automation, and full MetaTrader tools. It also has a very user-friendly mobile web app that is commonly used by beginner and mobile-first traders. My practical tip: if you plan to run EA or backtesting, use the MT5 demo and test it thoroughly. Execution settings, symbol names, and spreads often differ between demo and live servers. OctaFX offers micro-lot accounts, standard accounts, and sometimes pro-raw style accounts, depending on region, with tighter spreads. The minimum deposit is very low in many regions, often just a few dollars, which makes it beginner-friendly. But if you want lower spreads or institutional-style pricing, check what pro or ECN-like account options are available in your country. OctaFX is competitive on cost. Spreads on major Forex pairs are often low for a retail broker, especially on pro-style accounts, though tutorial and standard accounts may have slightly wider spreads. It typically does not charge high commissions on its entry-level accounts, as much of its margin comes from the spread. That said, on more active accounts or during news events, spreads can widen. Always use a demo to check live spread behavior for the pairs you plan to trade. Deposits and withdrawals are a key trust factor. OctaFX supports a variety of payment methods depending on your country: cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets in many regions. But to be safe, run this live test. 1. Complete your verification (KYC). 2. Deposit a small amount, say $20, $50, or the lowest practical amount. 3. Immediately request a withdrawal of that same small amount. 4. Record timestamps: deposit, verification, withdrawal request, processing time, arrival. If the funds arrive in a few business days and there are no repeated document requests, that's a very positive signal. If withdrawal is delayed, documents are asked repeatedly, or you're unclear about the process, pause and reconsider. OctaFX is regulated in certain jurisdictions. It's publicly transparent about its regulatory status, which helps, but protection levels vary. Some entities may have stronger investor protection or compensation schemes than others. Always verify which OctaFX entity you're signing up with. OctaFX is known for solid customer support and educational resources. They provide tutorials, webinars, and market commentary. Public reviews tend to highlight good responsiveness, although some users raise issues about account verification or the speed of fund withdrawals in certain markets. My test advice: open a live chat before depositing and ask which OctaFX entity will hold my account, and how long do withdrawals take in my country. The clarity and speed of that response is very telling. OctaFX is a strong choice for newer traders, micro-lot users, and those who want a low-cost, flexible broker for Forex and CFDs. It's less suited for ultra-high volume algorithmic traders unless they use pro or raw account types. The low minimums and platform flexibility are big advantages, but you must check your specific legal entity, run the deposit withdrawal test, and be careful during volatile markets. Scale slowly and treat OctaFX as a serious contender, not a gimmick.
Trading journey doesn't stop here.
Get free tutorials, market news, and trading signals on Telegram at NextGen Traders. Follow us on X
And earn certificates at nextgentraders.com.
Need the right broker? Head to nextgenbrokers.com. Subscribe, like, and join the NextGen Traders community where traders grow together. Produced with AI video technology. Content is for educational purposes only. Subscribe for weekly market insights and trading mindset strategies.